Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showcasing you how to turn off the camera shutter sound and the vibration on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's get started. Now in order to do that, there is not going to be any straightforward method. What you need to do is to press the volume down button once and a menu of the volume is going to be appearing in here. What you need to do is tap on these three dot buttons and then this menu will pop up. Tap on this setting button and scroll a bit where you will find out this system volume. Turn down the system volume all the way down and now the camera shutter sound is going to be turned off along with some others as well. It will not affect the ringtone or notification sounds, but some other system sound like charging sound will be turned off. Now to turn off the vibration, open up the camera app. From this dot, go to this full icon or setting, scroll down and just toggle off this vibration feedback, and that's basically it. In this way you can turn off the sound and the vibration on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.